Good morning. It's Monday, the 6th of December, 2021, and welcome to our Storm Daily Debrief. Just to go over last week's action, we had quite a tumultuous end to the week in the US markets with US tech finally getting sold off quite aggressively. We had a more hawkish Fed and sort of inflation talks really coming to the fore quite more and predominantly with the Fed terming things a little less transitory. Just to go into also towards the end of last week, we had US China regulators basically with massive talks to delist a few of their companies on the US stock exchange, also leading to quite a big decline in a lot of China tech names into the close on Friday. Obviously, got Naspers down this morning, Tencent down this morning, which will probably impact Naspers and Prosus, even though they have sold off quite aggressively ahead of that. In our market specifically, we had PGM space holding up quite well with gold trading really, really well. And I think that's going to be one of our focuses today or this morning. You've got oil price, all commodities pointing higher. Asia pretty much flat across the board. And I think this morning is going to be quite an interesting one ahead of to see how the US trades today. Our first idea will be in the gold sector. I think Gold Fields is one that we've watched quite closely. It's sort of held really, really well. There's no real panic selling. Every pullback is to be sort of bought here. Traded quite well across the water. So this is maybe one to watch this morning for a quick scalp on the long side. And similarly, I think one that we've been watching quite closely was Sibanye. Sibanye seems to be holding in there quite well after getting flushed out again down to 48. There'll definitely be some buyers around. I think this close above 50, 60 has been quite positive. And I think this stock could be a decent one to hold into the year end to retest maybe the 55 level. So keep an eye on Sibanye also this morning. And then finally, I think Aspen Pharmaceuticals is one just also it's coming to an interesting level around this 230 area. I think risk reward is quite decent to own it around here with the stop below 228. This is definitely one also that is probably going to be in play towards the end of the year with this new variant chat, and they're putting up facilities in South Africa with some of their partnerships. And that's pretty much it for today. I think we've got to focus on looking at buying some Gold Fields, Sibanye, and Aspen Pharmaceuticals. Good luck for today.